Professor Dr. Suchitra Pandit. I've been the past president of FOGSI and I'm currently the president of ISOPARB, the Indian chapter of organization Gestosis, and the chair of the All India Coordinating Committee of RCOG UK. I'm also a senior consultant working in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at the Surya group of hospitals, Mumbai. Friends, at the outset, let me wish all of you a very happy new year, and I'd like to thank the president of FOGSI, Dr. Pandit, as well as Zydus for bringing up this educational initiative. I'd also like to thank DocMode for this digital marketing knowledge platform. The subject that we are going to be discussing today for the webinar is fibroids. As we have all been working in OBGYN for so many years, we know that this is one of the commonest problems that occurs in women in the reproductive age group. The fibroids may be so small, not even seen by the naked eye, ranging to a very large size which can distort the uterine cavity. So they may be totally asymptomatic, or they may have menstrual problems like heavy painful periods, irregular cycles, and sometimes leading to infertility, pressure symptoms. So friends, what I'm proposing to do in this interactive webinar is discuss all that you needed to know about fibroids, including the latest in the conservative medical management as well as conservative surgery. This webinar is on 21st of January, Tuesday at 3 p.m. So don't forget to tune in. I'm waiting to interact with all of you on 21st. Thank you.